Hi everyone, this is Sanat from IIT Bombay, currently pursuing my first year in electrical engineering, and today we will be solving the exercise 5.1, that is linear inequalities of the NCERT. So here we can see our first question, that is 24x is less than 100. We have to solve this when x is a natural number and when x is an integer. Okay, so let us start solving this. 24x is less than 100. You can divide by 24 on the both the side to get x is less than 100 by 24, and 100 by 24 is nearly 4 point something, 4.1. It's nearly 4.1. So we got our x less than 4.1. We have to solve this for when x is an integer and when x is a natural number. So if x is a natural number, it will start with 1. So our answer will be 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is the bit 1 when x is a natural number. And if x is an integer, our integer can range from minus infinite to minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 till 4. You can also visualize this by using number line. Well, this is 4, this is 4.1. Our answer will be less than 4.1. And here is natural number 1 and integer till minus infinite. So this is our answer for first bit. It is less than natural number till 1, and this is our answer for second bit, that is up to infinite. Okay, so let us move on to the next question. So next question is kind of similar, that is minus 12x is greater than 30. So minus 12x greater than 30. So if we divide by minus 12, we have to change the sign. So this is a rule. If we divide by negative numbers or multiply by negative numbers, we must change the sign. So x, changing the sign, less than 30 by minus 12. This is minus 2.5. So x must be less than equal to minus 2.5. When, so let me draw the number line. This is minus 2.5. This is minus 3, minus 4. And here we will get 0, 1. So for the first bit, when x is a natural number, we can see there are no solutions because this is our solution less than minus 2.5. And here we get no solutions here. So first bit will be a 5 set, that's no solution. And for second bit, integers, we can see we can get our integers from minus infinite till minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, up to minus 2. Okay, as we can see, our integer lies in this domain. 2 minus 3, actually minus 2 will be not be the answer. I'm sorry for that. Till minus 3, minus 2 lies here, which is not in the answer. Okay, so these are very easy questions. You can directly see. You may get these questions in JEE mains also, that directly solving the linear inequalities. So let us move on to the third question. This is 5x minus 3 is less than 10, less than 7. 5x minus 3 is less than 7. We can add 3 to both the sides to get 5x is less than 10. We can divide by 5 on the both the sides to get x is less than 2. And for natural number, again, this is 1. We have only single solution, that is 1. And for integer, again, minus infinite. We can start in integers from minus infinite till minus 1, 0, 1. Okay. You can again draw the number line to see the answer like we did in the first and second part, that is x less than 2. So for integer, the solution side will be this, and for the natural number, the answer will be this. Okay, but we have also asked in this when x is a real number. If x is a real number, we can report our answer as x belongs to. We can report our answer as x belongs to minus infinite excluding 2, and draw the number line. This is minus 2. This is 2, and we don't have to include it, so we will draw a hollow circle here, and our answer will include this from minus infinite till 0. where x is a real number, we will consist of all the numbers. Okay. Next question. And here is solve 3x plus 8 greater than 2 when x is an integer and x is a real number. 3x plus 8 greater than 2. 3x plus 8 greater than 2. Subtract minus 8 on the both the sides. 3x greater than 2 minus 8, that is minus 6. X divide by 3 on the both the sides to get x greater than minus 2. So for x greater than minus 2, now we can see if we have to make our solution set for integers. So for greater than minus 2, here is minus 2. We do not want to include this. And for greater than minus 2, we will get this range where we can see there is minus 1, 0, 1, till positive infinite. Okay. And if real number, if x is a real number, we can directly write minus 2 to infinite. For integers, we can write minus 1, 0, 1, dot, dot, dot. This is a set and this is a range of value. Okay. So this is the answer for first bit when x is an integers, and this is the answer for second bit where we can see x belongs to a range. So you can see these are kind of similar questions where we have to solve the inequalities. So we have done 1 to 4. Now let us start with question number 5. So question number 5 says 4x plus 3 is less than 5x plus 7. 4x plus 3 less than 5x plus 7. Okay. So you can see what I can do is subtract 4x on both the sides. So we get 3 is less than x plus 7. Now we can subtract 7 on both the sides to get x greater than minus 4. Okay. And we have to solve for real x. So again, draw the number line minus 4. This is minus 3. We do not want to include minus 4. Draw a hollow here. Our answer is greater than minus 4. So we can report x belongs to minus 4, not including till infinite. These are all the real values of the x which will satisfy. Okay, let us move on to the next question. Next question says 3x minus 7 is greater than 5x minus 1. This is question number 6. 3x minus 7 is greater than 5x minus 1. Again, subtract 3x on both the side. Minus 7 greater than 2x minus 1. Add 1 on both the side. So 2x will be less than minus 6. X will be less than minus 3. Again, you can see directly x is less than minus 3. So our answer will be minus infinite till minus 3, excluding 3. These are the real values of x. You can again check it by number line. Here lies minus 3. Here lies minus 4. Here lies minus 2. Our answer is excluding minus 3 and less than minus 3. Okay. Let us move to question number 7. Question number 7, as you can see here, is 3 times bracket x minus 1 is less than equal to 2 times bracket x minus 3. So first step in this question is to open the brackets. You open the bracket by multiplying. So when we multiply 3 times x minus 1, we get 3x minus 3, and which is less than equal to. And if we open the bracket on the right hand side, we get 2x minus 6. Now that we have opened the bracket, we can see it is kind of similar question. Subtract 2x on both the side to get x minus 3 less than equal to minus 6. Add 3 on both the side to get x is less than equal to minus 3. So number line, draw the number line minus 3, minus 4 till minus infinite. And we can see now we have to, because of this equality sign, we have to include minus 3. So draw a complete dot here. And our answer is this less than, so minus infinite to minus 3, but including minus 3. Okay, so this is our answer of the solution set. Let's move on to the next question. The next question, this is kind of similar. Again, we have to open the bracket. You can see 3 times 2 minus x is greater than equal to 2 times 1 minus x. So If you come and open the bracket, that is 3 times 2 minus x, it will become 6 minus 3x. It will become 6 minus 3x, and this is greater than or equal to 2 times bracket 1 minus x. If you open 2 times bracket 1 minus x, it will become 2 minus 2x. Again, you can see add 3x on both the side to get 6 is greater than 2 minus 2 plus x. Subtract 2 on both the side to get x is less than or equal to 4. Again, we can see there is equality, there is less than or equal to 4. So our answer will become minus infinite to 4, including 4. And again, this is our answer. You can again see it by number line. This is 4. We need to include it. Draw dot, complete dot over here. Our answer lies less than 4 till minus infinite. So minus infinite to 4 is our answer. So you can see these questions are kind of similar. Like first we solved here inequalities, then here we also solved inequalities, but now they are playing with the brackets and all. And as we can see in question number 9, now they have introduced fractions and all. So yes, this kind of questions are just simplify and solve. Okay, let us solve the next question. That is x plus x by 2 plus x by 3 is less than 11. X plus x by 2 plus x by 3 is less than 11. So here we can take the LCM. If we take the LCM, we get 6x plus 3x plus 2x by 6. It is LCM 6 is less than 11. Multiplying both the side by 6, you can see this is 6 plus 3, 9 plus 2, 11x is less than 66. Divide by 11 on both the side to get x is less than 6. So yes, if we get x is less than 6, so our answer will become simply minus infinite to 6, excluding 6. You can again verify it by number line. This is 6. We have to exclude 6, and our answer is less than 6. So minus infinite to 6. So let us move to question number 10. Again, we got a fraction x by 3 is greater than or equal to x by 2 plus 1. X by 3 is greater than x by 2 plus 1. Either you can take LCM on both the sides and multiply, or directly multiply 6 on both the sides to get 2x is greater than 3x plus 6, or x is less than minus 6. If x is less than minus 6, again our answer becomes minus infinite to minus 6, excluding 6 is less than equal to minus 6, so minus 6. Follow dot here, again this is less than. Okay, you can see all the questions are kind of similar. You can easily solve if you understand one of them. So here let us move on to question number 11. Here you can see they have introduced bracket and both fraction. Okay, so yes, let us solve it. For this question, what we have to do is cross multiply. You can see here, if I cross multiply this 3 and this 5 over, then we will get our simplified answer. So we can write it as, we can write this 3 times x minus 2 by 5 is less than equal to 5 times 2 minus x by 2. So multiply this, cross multiply this 3, cross multiply with this 3 here and this 5 here. Okay. So if we cross multiply, we get 9 times 3 times 3 is 9 times x minus 2 is less than equal to 25 times 2 minus x. Now you can open it and simplify. 9x minus 18, opening the brackets, 50 minus 25x. 34x is less than 68, which is x is less than 34. We get 34x is less than 68. So x is less than equal to 2. If x is less than equal to 2, including 2, this is equal. This is not. You can again see the number line. This is 2. We have to include 2. Draw a dot here. Less than 2 is. So yes, you can get this answer. You can then draw the number line and check the answers. Yes, let us move on to the next question. That is question number 12. And for question number 12, you can see again we have to open the bracket, first cross multiply, then open the bracket, take LCM. Okay. So if we cross multiply, we get 3 times 3x, 5 plus 2. Just cross multiply. Cross multiplying, you will get, first take the LCM of the bracket. Okay. Take the LCM of the bracket, we get 3x. This is half. Taking LCM inside the bracket will give us 3x plus 20 by 5 is greater than or equal to 1 by 3 x minus 6. Okay. We have taken the LCM here, 3x by 5 plus 4. If we take LCM, it becomes 3x plus 20 by 5. Now we can cross multiply this 10 over here and this 3 over here. If we do that, we get 3 times 3x plus 20 is greater than or equal to 10 times x minus 6. 9x plus 60 is greater than or equal to 10x minus 60. X is less than or equal to 120. So we got our x less than or equal to 120. So again, this is minus infinite to 120, including 120. Again, you can draw the number line to check this is the correct answer. Let us move on to the next question. Here, question number 13. Again, this is kind of similar. Open the bracket, simplify, solve for x. Let us do it. 2 times 2x plus 3 minus 10 is less than 6 minus 2. That is, if we open the bracket, 2 times 2x plus 3, we get 4x plus 6. And we had minus 10 here, 4x plus 6 minus 10. And if we open the left bracket, we get 6 times x minus 2, that is 6x minus 12. Sorry for the bad writing. So that is more. So as you can see, now you can simplify it as 4x minus 4 is less than 6x minus 12. Okay, subtract 4x on the both the side to get 2x greater than 8. Divide by 2 on both the side to get x greater than 4. If x is greater than 4, our answer will become from 4 to infinite. Again, you can check by number 9. This is 4. This is 4. We have to exclude 4, and greater than 4 is from 4 to positive infinite. So this is our correct answer. This is set of x, real value x. Okay. So let us move to question number 14. As you can see, this is also similar. We just have to open the bracket, simplify, and we can solve for x. So 37 minus 3x plus 5. So we can write it 37 minus 3x minus 5, opening the bracket with minus 3x minus 5 is greater than or equal to 9x minus, again opening the bracket with negative sign, minus 8 times x minus 3 is minus 8x minus 8x plus 24. As you can, this is 32 minus 3x, 37 minus 5. This is 32 minus 3x greater than or equal to x plus 24. You can add 3x on both the side and then subtract 24 on both the side. 4x is less than or equal to 8, which implies divide by 4 on both the side to get x is less than or equal to 2. And if we get our x is less than or equal to 2, we can again say that our answer is minus infinite till 2, including 2. This is the number line for it. This is 2, this is 1, this is 3. We have to go including 2 less than 2 to minus infinite. So minus infinite to 2. Okay. As till now, you have noticed what we have done is simply simplifying. You can add and subtract. We have to just follow the two rules. And the two rules you can see given by here. That is, we can add and subtract. See, this is rule 1. Equal numbers may be added or subtracted both the side without affecting the sign of inequality. And both the side of inequality can be multiplied divided by same positive number. And if we divide or multiply by negative number, we just change the sign. Equality of sign is reversed. Okay. Just two simple rule you have to remember. or you can easily remember this. This is kind of common sense. We all know this. So using this, we have solved till here, question number 14. So let us move to question number 15. Again, you can see this is fraction bracket. So we must take LCM on the right side, then we have to cross multiply and verify our answer. So let us do it. Okay. So our left hand side is simple x by 4, and our right hand side we have to take LCM by 15. Is 3 and 5, LCM 3 and 5 is 15. We can see by taking LCM we got 5 times 5x minus 2 minus 3 times 7x minus 3. Okay, so if you take LCM you will get this. Now we can simplify this numerator above here, then we can cross multiply. Okay, so on simplifying, x by 4 is less than, you can see this is 25x minus 21x, this is 4x minus 10 plus 9, minus 10 plus 9 is minus 1 by 15, x by 4. You can simplify it, you can verify this is 5 times 5x minus 2 is 25x minus 10, this is minus 21 plus, so we will get this, cross multiply, 15x is less than 16x minus 4. You can see this directly that now x is greater than 4. Subtract here, subtract 15x on the both the side and add 4 on both the side to get x is greater than 4. Okay, so if now our x is greater than 4, we can directly say our answer is 4 to infinite, excluding both, verified by number line. This is 4, this is 3. Our answer is excluding 4 till infinite. Okay, this is 4 to infinite. So now we came, this is our last question of this part, 5 to 16. So again, we have got a fraction and brackets. Just again, take the LCM and cross multiply, kind of similar. We will take the LCM of this 4 and 5 to get 20. 5 times 3x minus 2 minus 4 times 2x. So let's start solving this. Okay, so keep LHS as it is, 2x minus 1 by 3, which is greater than equal to, taking LCM of the right hand side gives us 25 and 4, 20, yes, and 5 times 3x minus 2 and minus 4 times 2 minus x. So what I did is just take the LCM. I just took the LCM on the right hand side, 5 and 4, 20, and cross. Okay, right, you know how to take the LCM, right? So you can do this, and now you can simplify the numerator of the RHS, 2x minus 1 by 3 greater than equal to, you can see this is 5 times 3, 15x, 15x plus 4x. So 15x plus 4x gives me 19x. You can open the bracket and simplify. I am doing it directly here. Minus 10 minus 8 is minus 18 by 20. Now just cross multiply 20 and 3. You will get 40x minus 20. 40x minus 20 is greater than equal to 19 times 3. 19 times 3 is x minus 18 times 3 is 50. Now you can see subtract 40x on both the sides, add 20 on both the sides, or add 54 on the both the sides. You can simplify this now. This is 17x less than equal to 34 divided by 17. If we divide by 17, we get x is less than equal to, again we know this answer, x will be from minus infinite till 2 including 2, verified by number line. This is 2, we have to include 2, and less than 2 means till minus infinite, cover all the x. So yes, so now we have completed till 16, and what we have learned is we have to just use 2 rule and simplify, take the LCM, open the brackets, cross multiply. Okay, uh, so Now what we have to do is solve the inequality and show the graph of solution in the number line. Okay, so till now I have showed all the inequalities in number line. So again, this is not something new. We have to just draw the number line what we have drawn till now. Okay, so let us do it again. 3x minus 2 is less than 2x plus 1. So 3x minus 2 is less than 2x plus 1. Subtract 2x on both the side, add 2 on both the side to get x is less than 3. Drawing the number line. Draw a proper number line this time as we have to report it. So this is our 3, this is our 4, circle 3 as we do not have to include it. And this is now you can show 2, 1, 0, and some other stuffs like minus 1, minus 2 till minus infinite. And now what we have to do is just darken this. Just dark this part. Let me use another color. So what you have to do is just dark this part where our answer belongs. Just dark this part. Solve a circle, and this part is our answer. This is x is less than 3. Okay. Now you have to draw a proper number line to show them they report the answer. Okay. So this is again kind of similar questions. Just to what we have to do is draw the number lines. Again, you can see question number 18. 5x minus 3 is greater than equal to 3x minus 5. You can directly solve it. It is 2x is greater than equal to minus 2. So x is greater than. So what we are given is 5x minus 3 is greater than equal to 3x minus 5. 5x minus 3 is greater than equal to 3x minus 5. Subtract 3x on both the side, add 3 on both the side to get 2x is greater than equal to minus 2, or x is greater than equal to minus 1. Draw the number line. This is minus 2, this is minus 1, this is 0, 1, 2. Now we have to include minus 1. So draw a complete dot here, not a hollow one. And from here greater than. So just darken this line. Okay. From minus 1 to infinite. This x is greater than equal to minus 1. The green region. Okay. Now let us again this question number 19 is also very similar. Just what we have to do is open the bracket, simplify, draw the number line. If we open this bracket, 3 minus 3x is less than 2x plus 8. Let me write it for you. If we open the bracket of question number 19, we get 3 minus 3x, which is less than equal to 2x plus 8. 2 times x plus 4 is 2x plus 8. Now you can see this. Add 3x on the both the side and subtract 8 on both the side to get. If we add 3x on both the side, we get 5x is greater than minus 5, or x is greater than equal to minus 1. Again, draw the number line. This is minus 2, this is minus 1, 0, 1. What we have to do is greater than minus 1, right? So draw a hollow circle on minus 1 as we do not have to include this, and our answer is here. From minus 1 till infinite, minus 1 till infinite, excluding minus 1. Okay, so till now you have noticed we have not done something special in any question. All are pretty straightforward question, and if you get this, I am sure you might get full marks on this. Like, we just have to simplify, open the bracket, simplify, add and subtract, solve for x. Again, this question is again similar. Take the LCM on the right hand side, keep the left hand side as it is, then cross multiply. So let me do for you. LCM will be 15. So keep the left hand side as it is, x by 2. This is greater than equal to, take the LCM, it will be 15. And what we will get is 5 times, 5x minus 2. Then we have to subtract 3 times 7x minus 3. Okay, keep the left hand side as it is. as it is, and you can simplify the numerator before cross multiplying. This is 15. You can see this is 25x minus 21x, so I will get 4x. You can open the bracket and simplify. I am doing it directly. This is 20. So as you can see, this is 5 times 5, 25x, and this is minus 21. So 25 minus 24 gives me 4. Similarly, 5 times minus 2 will give me minus 10, and this minus 10 times plus 9 will give me minus 1. So okay, now what we have to do is cross multiply. Bring this 15 here, bring this 2 here, and you will get 15x is greater than equal to 8x minus 2. Subtract 8x on both the side to get 7x is greater than equal to minus 2, or divide by 7 to get x is greater than equal to minus 2 by 7. Okay, so we got our first answer, which is fraction. No worries, x is greater than equal to minus 2 by 7, so our answer will be minus 2 by 7 till infinite. Okay, you can draw the number line for the same. Let me change the color and draw it. This is my number line. This is minus 2 by 7. This is 0. This is 1. This is minus 1. Okay, this is minus 2 by 7. We have to include this. Now again change the color. We have to include this minus 2 by 7. So draw a complete dot here and darken this line till infinite. Okay, so this is our answer. Minus 2 by 7 till. Okay, so sorry I forgot to share the screen, I think. You can see what we did is just took the LCM. Let me repeat it again. Just took the LCM here, solve it to get this numerator 4x minus 1. Okay, now we have cross multiplied. If we cross multiply, we get 15x is greater than equal to 8x minus 2. And if we get this 8x minus 2, then simplify it. 7x is greater than equal to 2. X is greater than minus 2 by 7. Okay, so this is our answer. X is greater than minus 2 by 7, including minus 2 by 7. We can draw it in number line here. Okay, sorry, I forgot to share the screen. Yes, now we've completed till 20. Now we can see these are word problems. Okay, here till now we have given the inequality. Okay, now the inequality is not given. So we need to first complete the inequality. You need to read the question and form an inequality, then solve for it. Okay. So let us start by doing one of this. Question number 21. You can see these are word problems. What we got is Ravi obtained 70 and 75 marks in first two units. Find the minimum marks he should get in third test to have an average of at least 60 marks. Okay. So what you know here is, let the third test mark of Ravi be x. We need to find x. Okay, third test is x. First is 70, second is 75, and third is x. So what we need to do is we have to find the x such that the average of these three marks is at least 60. At least 60 means greater than equal to 60. Okay, at least 60 includes 60. Okay, so write the formula of the average. We know the formula of average is 70 of three numbers plus 75 plus x by 3. This is total sum by 3 is the average. And this average is at least 60, which implies this is greater than equal to 60. Okay. Now using the word problem, as once we have formed this inequality, by using the word problem, if you have formed an equality, then again this is nothing. Now you can easily solve this. 70 plus 75 is 145 plus x is greater than equal to 180. X is greater than equal to 35. So the answer you will report is Ravi must obtain a minimum mark of 35 or greater than it, including 35. Okay. So now you can see what is the question. Find the minimum marks he should get. So minimum mark is 35. This is minimum marks. minimum marks is 35, and if he gets 35 or more than 35, the average will be 16. Okay. Hopefully you got this question. Here we have to form the inequality first, and once we have formed the inequality, then we can solve it. Okay, so let us read question number 22. Question number 22 says, to receive grade A in a course, one must obtain an average of 90 marks or more. 90 marks of more is greater than equal to 90 in 5 examinations. If Sunita's marks in first 4 are given, find the minimum marks to obtain in fifth to get an A. This is kind of similar, just instead of 3, we have got 5, 87, 92, 94, 95. Okay, so let us take again fifth exam as X, and you can take out the average. Average is simply sum of the marks by total number of subjects. 87 plus 92 plus 94 plus 95 plus X. What we have to find divided by 5 subjects. This average should be greater than equal to 90 in order to obtain an A. Okay, so this is our inequality. Now we can see if we add this 90, 90, 90, 90, 360, 361, 365, 368. Okay, you can solve it. I am solving it directly. You can add this number. You will see you will get 368 plus X. And if we cross multiply, we will get greater than equal to 450. Okay, so X 450 minus 368 is nothing but 82. So X must be greater than equal to 82. What you can see, so the fifth subject marks must be greater than equal to 82. So minimum marks is 82, which is our answer. Now let us read question number 23. Find all pairs of consecutive odd positive integers. First of all, you have to notice find all pairs of consecutive odd positive integers, both of which are smaller than 10, so that their sum is more than 11. Okay, so we have to find consecutive odd positive integers. So let us take our first odd integer to be x. The next consecutive positive integer greater than this will be x plus 2. Let's see one example. We take 3. The next consecutive odd will be 5, not 4. 4 is even. So to skip 4, we add plus 2 here. This is 3, this is 5. You can check it by an example. So if we take x, our second will be x plus 2. Okay. And now let us apply all the conditions. This the integers will be less than 10, and the sum of so to get up to 11. If less than 10, so x is less than 10, x plus 2 is less than 10. Both the integers will be less than 10, so x plus 2 is also less than 10. This implies x is less than 8. Okay, so x must be less than 10, x plus 3 less than 8. So this is our main condition. This implies this. If any number is less than 8, it must be less than 10. So okay, so this is our first condition. X is less than 10. Sorry, x is less than 8. And now let us apply the second condition, that is sum of the number x plus 2 should be greater than 11. Okay, so we get 2x is greater than 9, x is greater than 4. For x greater than 4.5 and x less than 8, what we get integers are 5, 6, and 7. But we know we need odd integers. So if we need odd integer, we will eliminate 6. We will get our answer as 5 and 7. This is our answer. You can verify it. Both the numbers 5 and 7 are less than 10, and sum of this 5 plus 7, 12 is greater than 11. Okay. You must cross verify your answer at that. So 5 and 7 are our answers. Okay, so let us move to the next question. You can see what we do is first form an inequality, then solve it. Okay. Question number 24. Find all pairs of consecutive even positive integers, both of which are larger than 5 and their sum is less than 23. So here again we have given even positive integer, both of which are larger than 5 and sum is less than 23. Okay, so let us do it again. Let us take our first integer, even integer as x. So consecutive will be again x plus 2. You can again verify it. If we take 2 and 4, you can see there is a gap of 2 between them. Okay, consecutive even and both consecutive odd numbers have a gap of 2 between them. Okay, so if we take s1 as x, the next consecutive we must take it as x plus 2. Okay, this is something you must know. If you do not know this, now you know. It is consecutive even and odd number have a gap of 2 between them. Okay, so what we have given are both of them are larger than 5. Okay, so we know x is greater than 5, x is plus 2 is greater than 5, which implies x is greater than 3. So here our main condition will be x is greater than 5. As any number that is greater than 5 is greater than automatically, okay, any number that is greater than 5 is automatically greater than 3. Okay, you can take any number which is greater than 5, you will see this is greater than 3. So this condition implies this condition. So this is our main condition. And now we have given sum of these x plus 2, that is 2x plus 2. The sum of these two our numbers must be less than 23. Okay, so you can see 2x plus 2 is less than 23, x is less than 21 by 2, that is 10.5. So 10.5. Now you can see we got our range as less than 10.5, x is less than 10.5, but x is greater than 5. So all the integers between 5 and 10.5, we will note it down first. That is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now we know we need to find even. So let us eliminate the odd answer. That is 7 and 9. Okay. So we got our answer as 6, 8, 10, and we have to find all the possible pairs. So first pair will be 6 and 8 consecutive, and second pair will be 8 and 10. Okay. And we can see if x is less than 10.5. Okay, so this is, I think these are the two pairs we must get. Is there any other pair? We can check that if x is less than 10.5, x is 10. If x is 10, we can also see x plus 2 is, we must find x plus 2 also. Okay, okay, I got it right now. If x is 6, we got x plus 2 as 8. If x is 8, we got x plus 2 as 10. If x is 10, these are values of x. If x is 10, this is our first answer. This is our second answer. If we take x as 10, we will get x plus 2 as 12. You can see this is also a third pair. You can see this verifies our answer. Like this both are greater than 5, 10, and 12, and some of them is 22, which is less than 23. So this satisfies our answer. By solving this inequality, we get out the values of x. Okay, if we get the values of x, we can find the values of x plus 2, and we can form pairs. Like this is 6, first pair is 6, and 6 plus 2, 8. This is 8, so 8 and 10. This is 10, so 10 plus 2. Okay, so we get three pairs for the three corresponding x, 6, 8, and 10. We have removed divided 7 and 9 because they are all integers. Okay, for three integers, three pairs. So let us move to the next question, that is 25. What we have given here is the longest side of the triangle is three times the shortest side, and the third side is two shorter than longest side. Okay, okay. So what here we can do is everything depends on the shortest side. So let us take the shortest side as x. The short side of the triangle, let us take it x. And what we have given is the longest side of the triangle is three times of x, three times the shortest side. So we get another as 3x. This is shortest side, this is longest side. And the other side is given to be 2 cm smaller than this longest side. Okay, so we get our longest side minus 2 cm. This is our third side. Okay, so by reading the question of first line, we can get this. Okay, now if the perimeter of triangle is at least 61, find the minimum length of shortest side. Shortest side is x, so we took it as x because we want to find the length of shortest side. And we using this, we found the length of longest side and the other side. And now the perimeter of the triangle is at least 61. Again, mm, at least 61 is greater than equal to 61. And perimeter is basically sum of three sides. Sum of three side is x shortest side plus longest side plus other side, that is 3x minus this at least. So remember this, at least is always greater than equal to. So you can see 3 plus 3 is 7x is greater than equal to 63. This is greater than equal to 9. Okay, so minimum length is 9. You can see greater than, so minimum length is 9. 9 cm. Okay, so minimum length of other side is 9 cm in order to get a perimeter greater than equal to 61. So let us move to the last question, I guess. Yes, this is the last question of exercise 5.1. Here, let us read the question. A man want to cut three lengths from a single piece of board of length 91 cm. The second length is to be 3 cm longer than the shortest, and the third length is to be twice as long as the shortest. What are the possible long length of the shortest board? The third piece is to be at least 5 cm longer. So here again we will take the shortest as x, but let us also read the hint given. If x is the length of shortest board, so here basically the inequalities is given in the hint actually. Uh, we must form this inequality by ourselves, but here it is given in the hint that if you take the shortest board as x, the second will be x plus 3 and the third will be 2x. Okay, and what we have given this, all the sums of this is less than equal to 91. Okay, because sum must be less than equal to 91. And the other inequality given is that the third piece, that is 2x, is at least 5 cm longer than second. Okay, so this is 2x. This is 2x is greater than equal to x plus 3 by at least 5. Okay, so inequality is given. You can directly solve for it. So what we have given as inequalities are x plus x plus 3 plus 2x is less than equal to 91. Okay, this is given. So this is 4x is less than equal to 88. So x is less than equal to 22. This is our first condition, that x must be less than equal to 22. Okay, and second condition, what we are given in second condition is 2x minus the third side, that is x plus 3. The minimum distance between the minimum length of difference of two sides is 5 or greater than 5. Okay, so if you solve this, you get x minus 3 is greater than equal to 5, or x is greater than equal to 8. So you can see now we get our answer as 8 including 8 and less than 22. Now we can see that the length of the shortest board must be greater than or equal to 8 but less than or equal to 22. Okay, so actually I did a mistake here. It was just equal to, okay, equality. Okay, so the shortest vary from 8 to 22. So you can see. So now you must be confused, right? Like why did we take here less than equal to 91 where we have given the sum of the board is 91. Okay, so the sum of the three pieces is not always 91 because there must be some, there may be the case where some of the pieces unused. Like if this is my board and I I cut three, I did not cut the board into three pieces. I cut three pieces from here. And this is my first piece, this is my second piece, and this is my third piece. So there are some part of the board which is unused. Okay, to cover this unused, we have written less than equal to 91. If the question suggested that the board is cut only into three pieces, then we will take equal to 91. Okay, you might take care of this. Like you must understand the question. There is a board and we cut out three pieces from it. We do not cut the board into three pieces. We cut out three pieces from the board. So there must be some part of the board which is unleft or unused. Okay, to tackle this, we have taken less than equal to 91. And rest the question was very simple. That two inequalities were given. We solve this two inequality, we get our answer to be 8 and 22. X varies between 8 and 22, including both of them. So let me show you the question again. This is see, a man wants to cut three lengths from a single piece of board. Okay, he wants to cut three lengths from the single piece of board. He did not cut the whole into three single pieces. Okay, so here you must take care of the language given in the question in order to solve the question. Otherwise, you might equate it to 91. That will be equality, not inequalities. So again, you can also use that brain that we are solving inequalities, not equalities. So yes, you must take care of these questions. And now we are done with this session. So yes, I have solved exercise 5.1. I hope to see you again all again. All the best. Thank you for watching this.